Does your team give end-to-end tests to the newest engineers? If so, there's a good chance those tests will never be fully trusted. And honestly, this is very common. End-to-end tests often get handed to junior engineers, people fresh out of school, or engineers who just want to try coding in a safer area of the code base. Senior engineers sometimes think, why not? System tests are a good place to learn. But in this video, I want to dig into why this happens and most importantly, why it often backfires. End-to-end testing is often treated as low-risk work, something the junior engineers can own. It's seen as easy and not that valuable, but end-to-end tests are the last line of defense and their value is mostly invisible. When you prevent production bugs, you don't see the win, you just avoid the damage. And when ownership is unclear, end-to-end tests quietly start to fail. In the next section, I'll show you a simple playwright test a junior engineer might be asked to write. At first, it passes. Everything looks great. But as the system changes, the tests slowly become flaky, and eventually it turns into a liability. This isn't a knock on junior engineers. They're learning. The real issue is ownership. When end-to-end tests don't have shared patterns or clear guardrails, they fail the team, regardless of who wrote them. This test doesn't wait for the app, it's waiting based off time. After clicking submit, it pauses for 1 second and hopes the dashboard loads. That might work locally, but in CI, it is slower and less predictable. The assertion can run before the page is ready, and that's why this test passes sometimes and fails randomly. In this example, the test is waiting for real signal, the URL changing in the dashboard. That synchronizes the test with actual app behavior. There's no guessing, no sleeps. If the app is slow, the test waits. If it's fast, the test moves on. That's how you get tests you can trust. So what is the real fix for end-to-end testing? Well, I'd say treat every end-to-end test as a system responsibility. You need shared patterns, the same helpers, same structure, same setup. You need clear ownership, not just who writes the test, but who owns these failures. And lastly, you need guardrails. End-to-end tests protect critical flows, not every edge case. Do that and the end-to-end testing stops being brittle and starts being a real safety net.